Hello and welcome to DouglasESL. We're continuing the How to Use Pronouns series. This is lesson number 5, and the title of this lesson is Indefinite Pronouns. Indefinite pronouns do not refer to any specific person, place, or thing. They are vague and not definite. So we use these when we're talking about many things, but not a specific thing. Examples of indefinite pronouns: anyone, anything, each, either, enough, everybody, everyone, everything, both, few, many, and others. Indefinite pronouns can be in singular or plural form, or both. Sometimes indefinite pronouns can be used as singular or also in the plural form. Depends on the way they're written. So number one example, anyone can earn enough money. It's singular. Anyone and the verb earn, singular. Number two, few stray far from camp. It's an example of plural. Few is plural and stray is plural. Number three, some of the students feel sad. The word some can be used singular or plural. In this instant, it's being used as plural. Some and the verb feel are both plural. Here's some more common examples of indefinite pronouns. Sentence number 1, can anyone answer the question? So not specifically a person, just any person. Can anyone answer the question? It's indefinite. Number 2, each has his own thoughts. Number 3, fewer people are smoking now. Number 4, many have come already. And number 5, more are coming. So these are examples of indefinite pronouns not describing any specific person, place, or thing. Here are some examples. I'll go ahead and read these for you to practice your pronunciation. The first 2 columns are singular. The third column is plural. And then we have indefinite pronouns under both. They can be used either way depending on the way the sentence is written. Anybody, anything, everyone, either, much, neither, nothing, someone, other, anyone, each, everybody, everything, nobody, no one, something, somebody. Plural versions: several, both, others, few, many, any. And indefinite pronouns that can be either singular or plural: all, more, some, most, and none. Okay, a common theme in the pronouns videos are that a lot of times the pronouns are used as adjectives. So indefinite pronouns, depending on the way you write the sentence, can turn into indefinite adjectives. Here's some examples of indefinite adjectives. Number 1, please give me some water. Some is modifying the noun water, which makes it an adjective. Number 2, all personnel should go to the office. All is the indefinite adjective, personnel is the noun. Number 3, several people are waiting now. Number 4, I need some pencils. Number 5, there are a few people left at the party. This is indefinite pronouns that are turned into indefinite adjectives in the way you would write them in a sentence where they're modifying a noun. It's time for our indefinite pronouns assessment. Choose A, B, or C, whichever word will fill the gap and make this properly written sentence. Number 1, there is in your desk. Number 2, she did not say at all. Number 3, I did wrong. And number 4, she helped nearly in the class. So choose the proper indefinite pronoun to fill each gap to make these sentences correct. You can pause your video to give you a few more moments of time. Okay, let's see how you did. First sentence, there is something in your desk. Something is the correct indefinite pronoun. Number 2, she did not say anything at all. Number 3, I did nothing wrong. And number 4, she helped nearly everybody in the class. Well, I hope this has helped you on indefinite pronouns. Please like, subscribe, and share to hear more English videos in the future. Thank you for watching DouglasESL.